Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who do not know me, hi, welcome. I am so glad you guys stopped by today. Today I just kind of feel like doing a chit chat, get ready with me. I have a few things that I want to kind of talk about with you guys and just kind of, yeah, chit chat. So one of the things that I do kind of want to talk about is how just overwhelmed I am by the amount of love and support that my very small corner of YouTube has been getting. I have been incredibly lucky this year and have had some of the most amazing collaborations. I collabed with Nikki Murphy earlier this year. That was completely unexpected. I kind of got this feeling to ask her if she wanted to collab. That was one of the scariest things I have ever done. I don't tend to go out of my number size too often asking people, but I really felt like I wanted to collab with her and I really connected with her, and I still really enjoy her channel and really appreciate her just doing that. That was amazing, and to me it shows a lot about her and just the way that she is, and that she is truly supportive of other creators, which that I think in and of itself shows a lot about someone. If you are okay with collabing with somebody much smaller, and mind you, at the time I think I had around 600 subscribers, so that was pretty, maybe even less than that, you guys. I don't even remember where I was at that point. That's kind of how much of a whirlwind this year has been for me. But I'm just ever grateful to her for collabing. Gosh, look at this brow. Look at it. It just, we're going to definitely need concealer on that one. I don't know what I just did. But I am forever grateful to her for being willing to collab with me, because she really helped boost my confidence at a time where I was feeling like I was going to quit YouTube. And I don't really think she knows that. I don't think a lot of people know that. I was just kind of really down, and it had nothing to do with subscriber count. I was just in a place that I was not feeling very happy or very creatively fulfilled, if that makes sense. But that was me purely kind of asking somebody, because I had an idea and we kind of talked about a couple other ideas, and I really like what we ended up doing. She was using the Urban Decay Beach palette and I duped it out of my collection. And just to show that there are ways that you can get the palette and the look that you can get the palette, and just how similar other shades were at the time. And I thought that was a really fun idea. I'll have that video linked down below if you guys want to check it out. And then recently I was given the opportunity to collab with Georgia Harris, and that has been just amazing. And I really am appreciative of Georgia for, being willing to collab with me, and just being, she's amazing, you guys. She is one of my favorite YouTubers, and that really meant a lot to me to collab with her, because I've kind of looked up to her since I started doing YouTube, and just feel very lucky to have had that opportunity, because she is, again, just awesome and one of my favorite YouTubers. But it's kind of funny because I had a few people DM me and ask how I made that happen, and I was like, I didn't really make it happen. She started following me on Twitter after I followed her, so it's I don't know how any of this happened. Truly. I wasn't seeking her out for a collaboration. I just posted, hey, does anyone want to do a video for my Face Off series? And she jokingly responded about how that reminded her of the Face Off movie, which made me laugh. And then I explained to her what it was, and she said that she was willing to do that video with me, and I was in shock. And just, she is so kind, you guys, and so just, that was just one of the highlights of my year, being able to collab with her. And I'm really appreciative of that, and just thankful to everyone who, from her channel, who's come to check out my channel and who has subscribed. You guys did not have to do that. I was not, out of this collab, I was not really looking for subscribers. I know that might be hard for some of you guys to believe, but it's not all about that for me, especially with that collab. That was just something I had wanted to do since I found Georgia's channel, and it happened, and I will be forever grateful for that, because that has kind of given me hope about other large creators and things, and just the small YouTuber community in general is just very amazing and very supportive of each other, and I love that. I don't want to ever lose that. I'm just very grateful for that, and just feel very lucky. And I just want to, again, say thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel, to everyone who's been to my channel, to everyone who watched that video. Thank you. It really does mean a lot to me to have support and to have people who are interested in my channel. I'm going to be playing with the Norvina palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And the first shade I'm going to go into is Love. But it's just one of those things that I never really expected to happen with Nikki or with Georgia, and I have been incredibly lucky with that, and I am just forever thankful to them for being willing to collab with me. So yeah, it's just been an amazing year. And then just other small YouTubers who have been wanting to collab with me. I really have been enjoying this. I have many more face-off videos coming before the end of the year, and I'm over the moon and super excited, because that is a series that I really wanted to take off. And I think this is from Karen Harris and I were talking a little bit, and she's like, you should make a public playlist so that other people can do this series. And that's really what I want. I want to see other people outside of just collabing with me. I want to see other people do this series, and I would love to make a public playlist if I can figure it out. So if any of you know how to do that, let me know down below, because I don't know what's going on. I'm also going to add to the playlist that I currently have the people who I've done this with already, because I want to just kind of showcase them too. I don't want it to just be me on the playlist, and I've been meaning for a while to add these videos to the playlist, so I will be doing that. I'm going to go into the shade Passion. So I will be definitely doing that. I know not everyone has been with my channel for a long time, and I just kind of wanted to talk a little bit about how I see my channel, what my channel is. I feel like I do a little bit of everything. I project pan, I go on low buys. I try not to overspend. But I also like to just really play with makeup. I love doing tutorials. They're fun for me. I love being creative with makeup. So on my channel, there are tutorials, there are reviews when I do get new products. I tend to do like a collective review, and I'm not somebody who, I'll do first impressions every now and then, but those are really just my first impressions because things can really change once I get to that review portion of the video. And I just really try to kind of focus on when I review, I try to kind of focus on how the palette really performs for me, the looks that I've done, things like that, because I know that sometimes I will review things and people will not always appreciate my thoughts on it, which is fine. I mean, we have differing opinions. I don't mind if people don't agree with what I've said, or if people are like, oh, but have you tried it this way? Because that's what YouTube is for me. It's a learning experience. It's a lot of fun connecting with people. We all have different experiences, and that's why I like to watch a wide variety of channels also. I don't just watch the same types of makeup channels. I kind of have branched out to a lot of different, I watch people who collect makeup. I watch people who don't collect makeup. I watch people in all kind of spheres of YouTube, if that makes any sense. Because I like to learn. I like to see what people are doing. I also like, if I can't get a hold of a palette, I like to find people who I can recommend for people to watch. Like, to me, I would say Raven is a really good one to watch for reviews. She gets a lot of products and she reviews them. I also like Annette's Makeup Corner for reviews. I feel like she's very, very honest. And then my friend Amanda Gard does some great reviews. There are just so many people who do amazing reviews. I feel personally that I am still learning how to do a good review. I am working on it. There are just products that I'm not comfortable reviewing. I'm really comfortable with like eyeshadow palettes and things like that. That's fine. But there are still some things that I need to kind of work on in terms of reviews. Sorry for being quiet. This is just one of those moments where if I'm not quiet, I'm going to get a really messed up wing. But I do reviews on my channel. I do project pans on my channel. I do low buys again on my channel. I talk about makeup that I want to purchase here on my channel. I don't do will I buy it or anti-hauls anymore, just because I was feeling really negative towards makeup products. So I talk about more about the products that I actually want in my collection and why I want them in my collection. So I do a series called Stop, Drop, Shop. And it's really just called that because these are the things that I want, and it's not really me encouraging other people to go buy things. It's me being like, I want this. I also do like BoxyCharm videos. I'm trying to get better at like reviewing things that come in my BoxyCharm. I think that's really going to help with my reviews in general. I would say I'm an eclectic makeup channel. I do a little bit of everything. I just have fun here on my channel, you guys. I absolutely love making videos. Now I have to find my Wander Beauty. I'm going to use this mascara until it is just gone. I mean, I'm going to have to get rid of it in December because it will be not good anymore. But I just try to have fun. I do chit chat get readies with me. I do stuff about indie brands. I have a lot of indie makeup, and I kind of want my next year to be more about that. I am also planning on going on a year-long low buy. And I know that's kind of a trend right now, but I kind of need to do it. And I'm also going to be doing a year-long declutter series here on my channel, just because I have so much stuff. So I'm going to go into Passion. I'm going to run that along my lower lash line. But there's just some things that I'm wanting to do on my channel in January, just to give you guys a heads up. I am planning on doing 31 days of eyeshadow palettes. And I got this idea from It's Lori's Life here on YouTube. I'll have her channel linked down below for you guys. Also, if I ever forget to link anything, let me know, because I will go and I will link it immediately, because I do that sometimes. And I am just kind of wanting to do that because there's a lot of eyeshadow palettes I don't really use on my channel as much, and I really want to make an effort to use those and to really kind of bring attention to some things that I have in my collection, because I forget about things or I don't use things when I should be using them. So I'm going to go into the shade Bianca. This is a Colourpop Ultra matte, and one that I really like and forgot I even had until I did my lip swatch video. I'm feeling very rosy today, you guys. I'm not going to do foundation and all of that stuff today because my skin needs to breathe a little bit. I mean, I have all of this. Thank you. PMS, period, acne. Well, my wings are wonky. Oh well, life goes on. Wonky wings today. So I just kind of wanted to get on here and talk to my subscribers, my newer subscribers, and just say hello, and just that I'm thankful and grateful, and just kind of my luck this year has been phenomenal. And looking back on my videos and my channel, I feel like I have grown so much over the course of the year that I've had my channel, and I am just very, very proud of myself for doing this, and also very impressed that I've kept it up as long. I am someone who tends to drop a hobby before I need to, and I am very, very grateful that I've stuck with this, because this has been a lot of fun for me, and I have met some very incredible people. So I am ever grateful to everyone who has watched my videos and who has been subscribed to my channel, and anyone who will subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much, and thank you for being so supportive of me and my small little corner of YouTube. I really do appreciate each and every one of you, and thank you. So I do hope that you have a wonderful day, night, wherever you are. Please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thank you again, and bye!